Welcome to RockStar Guitar Academy. Whether you're starting from scratch or getting back into guitar after a long break, we're here to help you turn your guitar dreams into reality. Whether that's jamming to classic rock anthems, aggressive metal riffs, or building new skills from the ground up, our program is designed for busy people like you. With as little as even 10 minutes a day, you can start making progress and have fun doing it. We offer flexible lesson options to fit your needs. Join me in the studio for a hands-on, face-to-face experience where we can jam, work on refining your technique, and have a blast playing music together. Or, experience our custom online lesson studio, where we can record your sessions, share files, mark up PDFs together, and play in perfect sync with professional backing tracks. This setup can often make online lessons even more interactive and convenient than in-studio sessions. Our unique method blends fun, hands-on learning with real songs, a gamified practice system, and the Jam Zone, where you can play with full band backing tracks and track your progress. And you're never alone. Don is here to support you every step of the way. Ready to rock? Book a lesson now and get started with RockStar Guitar Academy, your path to real riffs and real results.